back to the Savage Z28 channel, man. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Appreciate all the new subscribers as well. So today I got another video for you guys. What we're going to be doing is changing the rotors and the brake pads on my boy's 2002 Camaro, but this will also apply to 98 to 02 Camaro and Firebird. So this video will help you out if you're looking to change the brakes and the rotors on any of those cars I just mentioned, as well as the SLP lid and the air filter. I'm going to show you how to change those as well. So if you got an air filter, it's been in the car for a while and you think it's dirty, I'll show you how to look at it so you can fucking get it changed. Or if you got an SLP lid and you're not 100% sure how to install it, this video will show you how to do that as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video, man. Again, appreciate all the new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now or after this video, just to stay updated on all the latest videos when they drop and you get that notification, man, because I promise you more content's coming and it's only gonna get better. So let's go ahead and get into this video so I can show you guys how to get these things done. We're going to be adding horsepower and we're going to be adding stopping power, because you can't have horsepower if you can't stop it. So let's get it. Alright, YouTube, we're over here at the homie Rustin's house, man. Finna go to work on these brakes. Boy done got some slotted in, or he just got the, oh yeah, slotted in drill things. About to throw those on front and back. Then buddy just threw the halos up there too. Might show y'all how to wire these, man, but I came late. He was already installing them, so might not be able to get that, but I'll show you what wires you need to connect on them bitches. What y'all think though, man? Y'all think that shit look clean? Old, new, like a whole nother car, man. But yeah, we gonna show y'all how to install rotors and brakes on the F body, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, so the first thing you're gonna do, jack the car up. Show y'all where to jack the F bodies. Jack it on that pinch wheel. Put your jack stand on the pinch wheel too. And take your tire off. Then you want to use the 3/8 ratchet. What socket you got, bro?
The 12.
And the 12 to remove the caliper. And then you get to wrenching like this nigga right here. Alright, y'all, so once y'all crack the bolt that's on the caliper, if you don't get a wrench or some vice grips and lock it on these two little notches right here to keep this from just freely spinning, as you can see, you ain't never gonna get that shit off. So like I said, get a ratchet. I'll let y'all know what wrench in a minute to fit. Let's see. Nah.
Bigger?
12's too small. Try like a 13 or 14. I think when I do this, bro, I use vice grips just because they're just easy to do it with them bitches.
That's a 14.
No.
18.
It's the big boy. I say 17. Let's see. 17 is just a little too big. 16. 5/8. 5/8 is the guy. Alright, y'all, so 5/8 is what y'all want to put on it. And once y'all do that, you should be able to work those two together to get it off. I want to go the other way. Loosen that motherfucker and then pull the bolt out. Alright, y'all, once you get the caliper took off, there's two bolts in the back here, bro. See if you can get to them real quick. Show them. Leave that in there.
You see this big bolt right here? That's what you need to go ahead and snap off. This one, and then this one right here. So 1 and 2. You got your big ratchet with you?
I should. And then once you snap those off, pull that bracket off, and we should be able to install the new rotor. Alright, y'all, so we noticed before you take that shit off, there's a little clip holding it on. So take that off and you should be able to pull it right off. Well, YouTube, nigga done ordered the wrong shit. The bitches was clean too. Nigga done ordered the rotors for the Camaro LS instead of the Z28. He thought he had the V6, not the V8. To be continued. Alright, YouTube, so we back, man. We just hit the parts run in the 5th gen. So my guy Trent, again, he used to plug on the F-body parts, y'all. Got the rotors. Then we got a SLP intake. It came with the black wing filter off the Firebird. So it's a come up, man. About to go back to the homie Rusty. He over there taking the wheel and tire off, man. That whole shit gave out on him on the way to Trent, so we had to drive this motherfucker. But like I said, we got everything we need, so we about to get this shit fixed. Alright, YouTube, this is how you do the quick job in the visitor parking when your shit fuck up on the side of the road. Did you see what ended up being the problem while your shit was tweaking?
Yeah, it was that fucking bolt.
The bolt fell out?
Yeah, that big bolt.
Yeah, man, so this nigga's bolt fell out on the highway trying to keep up with the 5th gen. My shit's always making somebody's shit give out. But it's all good. We about to get this shit fixed. But yeah, once we get this shit off, man, we're gonna put the other ones on there, see how they look, and then we're gonna show y'all how to do the backs. It's a little different. Pretty much the same, but a little different. So we're gonna show that to y'all. But yeah, we about to get this shit fixed. When you see it again, and it had a new rotor. Alright, y'all, so we got the new rotor on. And basically you just need to do the process to take it off in reverse to put it on. So put those bolts in the back in, put the caliper back on with the new brake pad, push the piston in, and then put the 2 bolts in, move to the next side. Alright, y'all, so we got the new caliper, everything back on, all the bolts nice and tight. Double check, this motherfucker forgot a brake the first time, but we got it good now. Putting the wheel back on, and then we're gonna do the other side. Got an SLP intake, SLP lid, whatever you want to call it, for the engine. Got the little rice rocket back there geeking and shit. But yeah, it's a pretty simple job. He did the side minus his fuck ups in like 2 minutes. So we're gonna do this side, then we'll move to the back. Alright, y'all, so while he doing that side, we're gonna take this off. So to remove this, pop those off. Then you wanna come here, unplug the mass airflow sensor, the idle air control sensor, and those are out the way. You wanna come get this one, cause all you're gonna need is from here up. So unbolt this one, then wiggle this off, and you should be able to pull it free. Alright, so we got it taken off. You need to unplug this for the air pump. Then once that's off, take that out the way. You do need those 2 sensors though, so we'll take those off later. Right now we're gonna take the old intake off, throw that out, drop the new one in there. Should just drop in there. If you want to make some more power and your shit stock, there's a little thing right here. Cut that shit out, put that shit back in. You be geeking, free horsepower. But yeah, you want to slide these into the slots right here. Got it all in there. Should sit flush, this motherfucker. Then just put the clips back on it. And you're good to go. That's how to install that. But you need to take the idle air control sensor out of here. I'll pull that out in a minute and put it into that little slot right there. And then this part, the little bellow and the mass airflow sensor need to go right here. So about to do that. I'll be back when it's finished. Quick little tip when you're doing this sensor, don't try and put it all in one piece. Take it apart, put this in first. Save you a lot of time and stress. Alright, y'all, so just like that, we got the SLP lid installed. It's like a 2 to 3 minute job. Quick little tip for this, because this is the worst part. To get this off, get a knife or something, cut a little slit in it, and it'll come right out. If not, you're gonna be fighting with it for probably more. First time I did it, probably took me about 45 minutes to get it off, and I fucked it all up. That little cut is cleaner than tearing it apart, so that's an easy way to get that shit off, and you won't see it if you decide to put that back on. So plug the sensors back in, and then shit, you will just start the car up. But yeah, that's installed. He's finishing up over there. We're gonna do the back brakes, and that's gonna be it for today. Bitch looking clean though. Alright, YouTube, so due to only having this little fucking thing to take these off, we ain't gonna fuck with it, because someone torqued them on tight, or they've never been off, or he torqued them on tight because he changed these wheels. But them bitches don't want to come off. When we try to take it off with a breaker bar, it almost broke. So he's gonna have to get a good quality breaker bar, not no janky one you can homemade. That shit was not having it. Shit started cricking and cracking. Shit was about to straight bust off that motherfucker. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This is how you change the front brake pads and rotors on the front of a 98, or this one's a, or yeah, 98 to 02 Camaro. It's all the same. And the SLP lid. But yeah, I'm about to drop the jack, man. That's the end of the video. Alright, so it's only right to get a start up after the SLP. We ain't gonna end the video just shit. And we're gonna get a little burnout for you. Hey, this bitch look clean, bro. Super clean. That black is hard. Need to fix that fender, man. You'll be in there. All angles. That bitch will be hard. Let's go back to the good side. Go back to the good side. Need to get a new belt. Yeah, that bitch saucy. We can't make too much noise over here though. They'll call the police. So we're gonna go do the burnout for y'all in a different area, man. About to go to Mexico. Let's get it. And so you know it's only right here at the Savage Z28 channel. We end with a burnout. Out here in Mexico, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Make sure y'all subscribe. You feel me? Always the best content over here. Let's get it.